how to increase or decrease system sound volume on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here, so click on sound and vibration. Now here, so scroll down and click on system sound. So after click on system sound, so if you want to increase or decrease system sound volume, so you will see system sound volume is here. So if you want to decrease system sound volume, so decrease system sound volume from here. So if you want to increase system sound volume, so increase system volume sound from here. So you will increase or decrease system sound volume from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can increase or decrease system sound volume on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.